Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smart 4 Home, the go-to place for all things tech. Today, we've got a handy guide for you on a topic that many of us can relate to: how to watch Netflix on your Samsung Smart TV. If you're ready to enhance your binge-watching experience, stay tuned. Step 1. Check your TV model compatibility. The first thing you want to do is ensure your Samsung Smart TV is compatible with the Netflix app. Most recent models come pre-installed with the app, but it's always a good idea to double-check just to be sure. To do this, grab your remote and navigate to the app section. Look for Netflix in the list of pre-installed apps. If it's not there, don't worry, we've got you covered. Step 2. Update your TV software. Keeping your TV software up to date is crucial for a smooth streaming experience. Head to the Settings menu, scroll down to Support, and select Software Update. If there's a new update available, go ahead and install it. This ensures that your TV has the latest features and optimizations, including those that make streaming apps like Netflix run seamlessly. Step 3. Download and install Netflix. If you didn't find Netflix pre-installed, or if you need to reinstall it, no worries. Let's download and install it. Go back to the app section, search for Netflix, and select Download or Install. Once the download is complete, you can find Netflix in your apps list. Step 4. Sign in or create a Netflix account. Now that Netflix is installed, it's time to sign in or create an account. If you're a new user, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. If you're an existing user, simply sign in using your credentials. And there you have it. Netflix is now ready to use on your Samsung Smart TV. Conclusion. That's a wrap for today's guide on how to watch Netflix on your Samsung Smart TV. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or if there's a specific tech topic you'd like us to cover, drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and ring the bell to stay updated. Happy streaming. And until next time, this is Tony signing off.